People have been waiting what seems like forever for this one feature inside the Interactive Brokers mobile app that will transform your trading, and it is finally here. Yes, I am talking about your trade history. You can now access 90 days of trades inside the mobile app without having to go and log into your account management section. You don't have to run any more reports. You can go and scroll through your app and see your previous trades quick and easy. Thank goodness. To get up to 90 days inside the app of your transactions, go down to this little button down here that says transactions on your bottom bar. Then you want to look at trades. And the old way of doing this was to go to activity statements and actually run a report inside the Interactive Brokers like website on your phone. But that's no longer what you have to do. You can see here in the top corner, we've defaulted to just today. If you haven't made any trades today, there's going to be nothing showing there, but click that little drop down. And here's the holy grail of what we're looking at: 7 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days of trades. Let's go with 90 right now and show you what I'm talking about. Now you can see in this account from December 4th to March 3rd, this is the overall profit and loss. This is how many trades were made, 32. And if you scroll down, you can see each date that the trades were made. You can see the overall profit and loss on the right-hand side under P&L right here in this column. And they even group them by dates. You can see which day that the trades were made on. This Zoom trade would have been made on January 30th. And if you keep scrolling, eventually you get to your endpoint where you're at the end of the 90-day period. But you can toggle this now. And if you wanted to go from 90 to 30, we could do that as well and close it off for the month. So you can do this monthly now versus having to go into your account section, generate reports, and go through all the ringer of actually finding these numbers. This is something that I've gotten questions about time after time. How do we find reports? How do we find past trades? If you want to track your trades now, it's made easier than ever. Just follow the steps I just showed you in the Interactive Brokers mobile app. Find your trades, document them weekly, monthly, semi-monthly, whatever you want to do, but it's there for you now. Finally, enjoy.